Hello guys, hello everyone. I'm Kunal from Data Analytics Club from the Department of Data Science, Anurag University. We are going to be talking about the workshop that we are going to conduct this Saturday. So I'm going to show you how to create an account, and if you already have it, how to go about it, and how to register yourself for the quest that we are going to do today in this session. First, we have to enter this website called cloudskillsboost.google/journeys. As you can see, if you're new to this website, you have to press join over here. Here, you can directly sign in with Google, or you can fill out all this information and pass the captcha test. Very important that. So, click on sign in with Google, type in your email or phone number. There you go. So as you can see, we arrive at this page as soon as we log in. Just press the captcha and prove that you are a human. So, yep, verify, done. I accept, and you're in. If you already have an account, just click on sign in. As you can see, just sign in with Google, and you'll be on your way. Here, you can see the number of credits you have, which will increment as you keep progressing through your quests. You can even get a badge at the end, which you'll be seeing on Saturday. So be sure to check out this intro that you get about what's going on this platform. Just click get started, and yeah, you can go about your interested fields in your free time. But for now, let's stick to the course. Go to profile, and it is very much important to make the badge profile public. So make sure to do that. Make profile public, and there you go. And have this link at the ready when it's needed in the future. Let's go ahead with the next part of this, which is the actual course that we are going to do. Go to explore. As you can see, there are lots of things that you can do. The quest 939 results. So the first one is insights from data with BigQuery. That's the one that you'll be doing. So press it. As you can see here, it says that it's a 5-hour course, which is very basic, very simple. So here is the quest info, and what do you get from this, what badges you earn, etc. Here is the actual course itself. These are all the labs that are available at your service. So make sure to enroll in this quest. So as you can see, you enroll yourself in this quest, and you can start whenever you are ready. So we'll try to do all of these tasks on Saturday. Can't wait to meet you all on Saturday. Take care, guys. Stay home, stay safe, and peace.